Hello friends, welcome to Beena's Family Kitchen. Today we will see how to make lady's finger sambar. My daughter is going to explain it to you. Before that, those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So let's begin.
Here I have taken 1.5 cup of yellow lentils, which is also known as tur dal. I have washed it and soaked it in water for half an hour. As we are making lady's finger sambar, here I have taken 300 grams of lady's finger. I have cut it into small pieces and washed it and kept aside. Here I have taken one big carrot cut lengthwise, one big onion Chinese cut, 2 teaspoons chopped ginger and 3 ivy gourds, which is also known as tinda and tainli. I've cut it into small pieces. This vegetable, that is ivy gourd, is optional. I have also taken grated coconut 2 tablespoons. Now we will pressure cook the dal by adding 4 cups of water. We will also add the onions, carrots, ivy gourds and ginger. Ginger only half part of it. We will also add 2 teaspoons of salt. One teaspoon turmeric powder. Pressure cook it for 1 whistle. Now we will see how to make hotel style sambar mix. For that I have taken 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds. If coriander seeds are not available, you can also add 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Then I have taken coconut grated 3 tablespoons, lemon sized ball of tamarind and the remaining ginger.
Take half teaspoon
Fenugreek seeds, which is also known as methi seeds. And I have also taken a small piece of asafoetida, it is also known as hing. Then I have taken 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon sliced onion, 2 red chilies, 3 teaspoon urad dal, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Now we will fry the lady's finger by adding 3 tablespoons of oil. A secret tip to get rid of the stickiness faster is to add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce to it and fry it. Fry it till it is soft and tender. Here I have kept a frying pan. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. While the lady's finger is being fried, we will fry the sambar mixture. First we will add asafoetida, stir it, always fry the asafoetida first. If you have asafoetida powder, then add it while tempering. When we fry the asafoetida, it expands. Now we will add our sambar mix along with the asafoetida and fry till it is golden brown in color. We will also add few curry leaves to it. Once the mixture cools down, we will grind it into a nice smooth paste by adding little water. I have ground it into a nice smooth paste. Our dal and vegetables are also ready. Now we will add the lady's finger to the dal. We will also add this masala paste to the dal. Mix it well. Now we will bring this to a boil. No need to pressure cook it, as all the ingredients are already cooked. It has boiled very well. While boiling, make sure you keep on stirring it or it will get stuck to the bottom of the cooker. While boiling, keep it on medium flame. Now we will see how to temper it. For tempering, you can use coconut oil or sunflower oil. Here I am using coconut oil as sambar tastes best with coconut oil. I have taken 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now we will add 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. We will wait till it splutters. Reduce the flame and now we will add 2 red chilies. I have broken it into half. Now we will add few curry leaves to it. Stir it. If you had not added asafoetida earlier, you can add asafoetida powder 2 teaspoons at this point after switching off the flame. And now we will add it to our curry. So our delicious restaurant style ladies finger sambar is ready. You can have it with dosa, idli, medu vada, rice, and the link of dosa and idli I have given in the description box.